everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another collective best drugstore products from the Japanese store. People ask me where you can get these type of products, and usually I just go to the stores around me. So I go to Tokyo Central and Missouri, and I really recommend those two. If you have those chain stores near you, just check them out and you can find pretty much everything I mentioned. If not, I would really suggest the site Yes Style. It's two categories: skincare and hair care. Sana White Essence Serum. So this is claimed to be like a brightening essence, but I feel like it has more of the texture of a serum, so I do just use it in the morning because it's so lightweight and it absorbs quickly. Once you rub it in, it does turn more to like a lotiony type finish, so it absorbs quickly, and you see it just gives like that nice dewy glass skin glow. And as far as like the whitening part of it, it doesn't really like lighten your skin. I just feel like it just brightens it slightly. It's really beautifully underneath makeup. Like today underneath my foundation, I use this and I feel like it does bring like the ever so slightly luminosity to the foundation. The best way I could describe this serum is that yes, it's like an essence that's supposed to help brighten and soften your skin, but it's a skincare type, what do you call those, illuminator. So this, what I would definitely describe this as like a serum essence illuminator. Better because it has skincare benefits, so you're getting like the brightening effects of this, but it also helps with your foundation to illuminate it a little. So I really love how it makes the skin glow, especially underneath makeup. So that's why I've been wearing it every day before in the morning time, and then I apply my foundation. So it's the Saborino sheet masks that come with the pack. You're supposed to help prime your skin, moisturize it, and refresh it or cleanse it. So I personally wouldn't replace this as a cleanser, but it does feel really refreshing. So you leave it on your face for 1 to 2 minutes, which is really quick in the morning time. I'll take it off and then just wipe it with the sheet mask itself. Like, it is effective. You'll feel your skin getting really cooled down, and also too, when you do apply makeup, it makes like I would say the best way to describe this is that it's like a primer in a sheet mask. So when you do your makeup, it's primed your skin to lay on your foundation nice and smooth. To try it out in the morning time, it's a really good, super cooling, really refreshing, quick sheet mask. This Japanese drugstore product is the Fancel Washing Powder. So it comes like this, and what this is a powder. Oops. So you see it like that, and then you wet it and it turns into a cleansing foam. I actually use this in my BB cream video to deep cleanse my skin. It works so well and it doesn't leave the skin feeling dry. I wasn't really into washing powders. I would just stick to the regular, pre-made foams. But since using the washing powders, like experimenting with them, they work a lot better for dry skin, I feel, because they don't strip the skin or make it feel really tight afterwards, and they rinse off really easily. I find that washing powders rinse off even easier than some cleansing foams or cleansing just regular cleansers. For a drugstore product on the pricey side, it was like $21, but I do think it's worth it because a little bit of the powder goes a long way. So it's supposed to be a whitening essence that is made out of rice. The texture of this, it is very similar to this one, the Naturey skin conditioner, the barley one, but what I like better about this one is it's a lot more stickier finish, not in like a greasy bad way, but it does have like a thicker consistency when you put it on your body. So I feel like you don't have to layer it on like 3 times. 2 is enough, even 1. With this one, I find it is a little bit more lightweight and fast absorbing, so I have to lay like 2 to 3 layers. But with this one, 1 to 2 is really good. Like the Japanese drugstore bulk skin conditioners like this, I do think this is a solid one. I don't know if the rice really helped to brighten my skin, but I do use this on my body a lot, so it helps more to like soften the skin, I feel like, rather than brighten it, even though it says white moisture lotion. Again, I'd have to work through the whole entire bottle to see like the brightening effects of it, but so far so good. Really good for moisturizing, really good for softening the skin, and I just use it on my body. So it's from Tsubaki, this brand right here, and I have this smoothing treatments, which you use after you shampoo your hair, and then I have the hair milk and then the hair water. right here. So these three have been my favorite that I've constantly been using. Days that I know I'm going to straighten my hair out, I wash my hair the night before, and then I apply this as a treatment along with mixed with a little bit of deep conditioner. And when I straighten my hair out, I feel like it just goes like a lot faster. Like I get the style really quick and the hair looks really thick. The Premium Repair hair water, I usually use like a Tresemme heat protectant on my hair. I still do before I style it with like a curling iron, but I also spray this onto it before I use any heat. I feel like this is a really good invention because it's super lightweight. It's not repairing your hair in a like a thick oil or a thick cream. It's just like a lightweight spray you add onto your hair and it just like brings it back to life, makes it super shiny. Before I curl my hair, this is just like a necessary step to do just because of how shiny it leaves it after I'm done with styling it. So the last thing from that brand is the hair milk. It's just like a simple type lightweight cream, and I like to apply this in my hair after I've styled it, either if I curled it like this today or I've straightened it, just because it does give moisture back to the hair. A Lucido-L Argan Oil hair care line. So I do have a few different products from them, but the two that I have been using constantly together, the Argan Rich Hair Treatment. So this is a deep conditioner you use in the shower. And then afterwards, as a leave-in conditioner, I use the Argan Oil Hair Treatment Cream. So I deep condition with this, and then I will apply this to my hair every time I wash it. This stuff works so well. So I believe the mask is like $16 and then the hair care cream is only about $7. But if I had to choose between the two, I would definitely suggest you guys try out the leave-in conditioner because it works so well. I know that there's a lot of like Western brands that have like Moroccan oil, Argan oil, and they sell it for like $20 up for a leave-in. This one is only $7 and it works just as well. Trust me. I used to use just straight up argan oil from the bottle on my hair once I washed it, but I felt like that did make it greasy really quickly, even if I used the smallest amount. This one doesn't make it greasy, waxy feeling way down. It's just a solid, one of the best like leave-in conditioners I've ever used. It doesn't condition the hair as well as like the two I just mentioned. This is like a finishing product, so you just use a little tiny bit and it does put the shine back to the hair. So if you're looking for a good hair oil, I'd recommend this one, and it still has argan oil in it, so it's benefiting your hair. The last thing that I wanted to mention is just a basic soap. This is Dove, but the Japanese Dove, and this is the White Clay and Gardenia bottle. It smells so good. So if you are familiar with the Dove bar soap, the rose one that's pink, I feel like that one is what this one is, but in liquid form. It doesn't have like the pink color to it. It's just like a regular soap, but it lathers so well. And this one in particular, compared to the Western Dove soaps, they are a little bit, the texture is a little bit different. It's not as creamy, but it still lathers and foams up really well. It's more like a liquid hand soap, but it leaves the body feeling really fresh and really soft. So that was everything I wanted to share with you guys for my best Japanese drugstore products. All the full names will be linked down below in the description box, and I also will link my other video I did this past summer trying out even more Japanese drugstore products. So there's like little reviews on those there, the things I didn't mention here. That being said, don't forget to subscribe and like this video so I know to make more Japanese drugstore videos. I'm always trying new products from the market, so if I see something, I'm gonna try it. So let me know what you guys like and comment down below so I could check it out. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.